Transform every drive into a live performance with the Car Karaoke Microphone for J5, J7, and E5. Designed for effortless setup and impressive audio performance, this microphone brings a premium singing experience directly into your vehicle. From crystal clear vocals to seamless compatibility, this review explores everything that makes this karaoke microphone a standout choice for music lovers. If you enjoy singing during road trips or simply want to add more entertainment to your driving experience, the Car Karaoke Microphone for J5, J7, and E5 deserves serious attention. One of its biggest advantages is broad compatibility. It works with J5, J7, O7, and E5 vehicles equipped with the latest firmware and the KTV Assistant or Karaoke Mixer application. Whether your vehicle features a USB Type-A data port or a USB Type-C port, the package includes support for both connection types. The microphone comes directly from the original manufacturer, ensuring authentic hardware, dependable customer support, and access to the latest firmware updates. This provides added confidence in both performance and long-term reliability. Installation is refreshingly simple. Just connect the receiver to the vehicle's USB data port, switch on the microphone, and start singing. No complicated setup process is required. The plug-and-play design means you can begin using it within seconds. Audio quality is another strong point. The microphone features advanced noise reduction technology, all-direction sound pickup, and clear voice reproduction. An internal noise reduction windscreen helps minimize unwanted background sounds, allowing vocals to remain clean and natural. The alloy metal microphone head adds durability while enhancing the premium feel. Combined with the quality matte finish, the microphone looks stylish and feels comfortable during extended use. Performance is impressive with virtually no noticeable audio delay. This creates a more natural karaoke experience, helping singers stay in sync with the music. The adjustable reverb feature also allows users to customize vocal effects according to personal preference. Battery life is reliable thanks to its rechargeable design, making it suitable for long journeys and extended karaoke sessions without constant charging concerns. Another major advantage is application compatibility. The microphone works seamlessly with popular platforms such as YouTube and Stingray. It can also be paired with music applications that offer vocal removal features. Users can even connect their smartphones through Bluetooth and enjoy their favorite karaoke applications directly through the vehicle's audio system. For families and groups, the dual microphone version is particularly attractive. It allows multiple singers to perform together, creating a more interactive and entertaining experience during trips. Pairing process. For a single microphone setup, enter pairing mode by pressing and holding the volume plus and power buttons simultaneously for approximately 5 seconds until the indicator light flashes. Reconnect the receiver and confirm the receiver light is blinking. For 2 microphones, place each microphone into pairing mode using the specified button combinations. Reconnect the receiver, verify the blinking indicator, then press the sound effect and power buttons to complete the process. Once all indicators remain steadily lit, pairing is successful. Pros: excellent compatibility with J5, J7, O7, and E5 vehicles. Supports both USB Type-A and USB Type-C connections. Plug-and-play operation. Clear sound quality with noise reduction. Adjustable reverb effects. Minimal audio delay. Durable alloy metal microphone head. Rechargeable battery with long operating time. Works with multiple karaoke and music applications. Optional dual microphone version for group entertainment. Cons: requires the latest vehicle firmware. Karaoke application installation is necessary for operation. Pairing instructions may require careful attention for first-time users. The Car Karaoke Microphone for J5, J7, and E5 delivers an enjoyable, user-friendly, and high-quality in-car karaoke experience. With excellent sound clarity, wide application support, durable construction, and effortless operation, it offers outstanding value for drivers who love music and entertainment on the road. This karaoke microphone turns ordinary journeys into memorable entertainment experiences. With strong audio performance, simple setup, and broad compatibility, it is an excellent addition to supported vehicles. If singing on the road sounds exciting, this microphone is certainly worth considering. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below.